Look at all these mosquitoes. Look at this. I don't know if you can see them. I can't do anything out here today. I'm going to have to go because these mosquitoes are killing me. I can't even sit for 1 second, and I got like at least 50 of them on me, and I'm not even joking about the number. God, I can't even sit still for a second to take a shot. There's just too many of them. I can't do it today. It just rained too. Sucks, but what are you gonna do? I'm out of this woods, dude. Definitely overrun today. Whew. It's not even like 2 seconds and they're just all over me. Okay. Oh, God damn it. Oh, I'm out of here. I'm so out of here. Shame, too. Let me dry it up. Mosquitoes usually, I like the damp wet and the moisture. They're born at actually. Ooh, and I ran right into this too. My face first, and the worms were all on my face. They didn't bite me, just squiggling around. Really nasty. I'm serious. I'm gonna try to head back home now and get some dry clothes. I think I just about had it today with this. Too many damn mosquitoes. I can't even stand still for 2 seconds. Just can't. I got like 50 bites on my hands already. God damn, it sucked today. Freaking everywhere. Ouch. Damn it. What was that? Tick. I pulled like 5 of them off me too. Let's check my pants. That sucks. It's on my shirt.